Okay, hello everyone. This is the free energy water pump that we make for the farm, for the flower farm. So this is the lucky people here who are living along this river. So you can see the team is installing the drum pump, and they keep one old pump is for the stand. Okay, so here is they made like a new style. And this is the air pressures, the big ones. Air pressures is very strong pump with this style. I never see before. Okay. Alright, this is the vertical pipe. Before they put over there, but today they put here, and they reveal that this is stronger water pump. So a lot of people just confused that this is the same as the siphon system, but actually, as you can see, the water level is about 2 meters from here to there, and and this is really working. Let's see the output water. So okay, let's see the output water over there. So if you can see, the pipe is like this, and this is the output water. Just open here, and as you know, they will use for this farm. This is the farm that they use for this drum pump. Okay, so before they use the electricity to pump the water from the river, but now, as you can see, this is the water coming non-stop, 24 hours, 7 days a week, without stopping. So just a drum pump, but when we take it high, it stopped working because, as you know, the drum level is not very high, so it stopped working. But if you put it down like this, it's lower than the drum, so it's start the gravity. The water is pushing out to make the drum pressure. So the drum pressure need the air to refill the water that is come out from here. So the intake water pipe that have the foot valve check, that is never returning back to the river, so it just dropping the water from the intake water into the drum over there, as you can see it. And if we take this higher than the drum, it will stop working. But it is the water level is higher than the river level, about 2 meters. But this is the drum level is here. But if we put it lower than the drum, the water start coming again, and the intake water pipe start sucking the water into the drum again. So please don't confuse with the siphon system. And a lot of channel that prove that this drum won't work, but they make a short output water pipe with a small one. So I think that is very big confusion. So when you want this system work, to make sure that the output must be big and long to make the water heavier than the intake water, and it will press the drum. Sometimes you will result deform the drum, but sometimes not deform if you have the strong metal tank. So I got a strong metal tank with a total energy tank. It is very strong metal. It never deform with this this level of water. If you put higher, it may be deformed, but now it's not deformed because it's very low, very low. We just keep it very like 1 meter from 1 or 2 meter from the lane. It's not deformed. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy with what I'm showing here, free energy water pump, and you will understand. If you not understand, just comment down below, and don't forget to click subscribe my channel to make sure you can reach more video from my channel. Thank you very much. Bye. See you again soon.